Hi, I'm Nicholas Wallwork. Welcome to the Property Forum YouTube channel where we talk about all things today HMO, houses in multiple occupation. If you want to learn more about HMOs, watch the rest of this video obviously, but also click the subscribe link and the bell icon so you can be notified of any new videos we post that are around HMOs and property investment education itself. Now today I want to tell you about our ebook. We've got an ebook out which is all about HMOs and lots of tips and tricks in there. So that'll be posted in the description or the comments after we've posted this video. So make sure you jump on and download that to be a great resource to learn, get you started or learn some tips and tricks you might not have thought of as an existing HMO investor. Also, there'll be a link to our HMO educational e-series. So we'll be sending you emails if you subscribe each and every day for about 8 to 10 days on HMOs, various strategies and tips you can employ to learn more and to become successful on your own HMO journey. So make sure you click that link, subscribe and notify yourself with the bell icon on the video itself and subscribe to that e-series right away. Now that you've gone away and subscribed to this video so you get notified and you've downloaded the ebook and you've also gone and signed up to the educational HMO series, hopefully you'll see a lot of tips and tricks that will help you on your journey, whether you're a beginner or you're a bit more advanced. If you are a bit more advanced and you've done the ebook journeys, you've been on a few courses, seminars, or maybe some other training, I also offer mentorship to people on a one-to-one basis. So check out the links on the videos and we can possibly work together to help you take things further or get you practically going. The mentorship's all about practical help to physically get you going on your journey. It's not a course where you sort of get to the end of it and you're like, well, I don't know how to get going. I don't know how to actually start. Mentorship is all about physically doing tasks, going out sourcing for a day, looking through sites, doing the number crunching together. So that's an option for people that want to take it a little bit further. I've been investing in property for around about 20 years now, believe it or not, right from my university days where I started with my first ever HMO in 2000. I left university with over £35,000 worth of debt and I went out and bought my first property and subsequently in the year or two subsequently I went and rented out one of those bedrooms. That was my first ever HMO bedroom, rented to someone that is now still a best friend today, believe it or not. So I made a good friend at the time. I then went on to rent out other rooms in that house and eventually move out into my second property and did the same again. And that was how I got started with HMOs. We've now developed over £45 million worth of property, of which we still retain about 30 million. And we're stood today in one of our studio apartments in our 42 unit micro studio scheme, which is an office to residential scheme in Newbury in Berkshire. It's a GDV of just over £6 million, brings in a rental income of just under £500,000 a year. So that's the story of my journey in property to date. We're ever growing, we're ever building, we've got sites under offer. And on one of the other videos, which you should click on and subscribe on the channel, you'll see that we're going off to see another site today that we're interested in buying or JVing with a client on. So yeah, lots of particularly interesting content to come. But HMO wise, make sure you subscribe to the email series, download the HMO ebook, all both in the comments, subscribe to this video, get out there, get your learning, and if you're interested in taking it further, reach out for some mentorship and potentially we can work together there. Good luck on your own journey.